Hello viewers, in this video I am going to tell you about the real life story of the Kargil girl Gunjan Saxena. Gunjan Saxena was born in Lucknow into an army family. Her father Lieutenant Colonel A. Saxena and brother both served in Indian Army. Saxena graduated from Hansraj College, University of Delhi in New Delhi and then joined the Delhi Flying Club at Safdarjung Airport. She was among a group of 25 women who joined the Indian Air Force in 1994. This was the first batch of women Air Force trainees for the Indian Air Force. In her batch was among the 6 female trainees with Srividya Rajan, who would also go on to fly a cheetah in a combat zone. Saxena's first posting was in Udhampur as a part of 132 Forward Area Control, where she had to face many gender-based challenges like adapting to makeshift changing rooms until new ones were built for women. However, she recalls that the male pilots accepted the situation faster than she accepted. Flying officer Gunjan Saxena was 25 years old when she flew during the Kargil War and stationed in Srinagar. In Kargil War, as part of Operation Vijay, apart from evacuating the wounded, she helped in transporting supplies to troops in the forward area of Dras and Batalik. She was also assigned surveillance roles such as mapping enemy position. She had to deal with makeshift landing grounds, heights of 13,000 to 18,000 feet, and enemy fire. She was one of the 10 pilots, the only female pilot based in Srinagar, that flew hundreds of sorties during the war, evacuating over 900 injured casualties, including those killed from Kargil. Gunjan Saxena was the only woman in the Indian Armed Force who served in Kargil War. In 2004, her career as a helicopter pilot ended after serving as a pilot for 7 years. The concept of permanent commission was not there during her time. Her husband is an Indian Air Force pilot. They have one daughter who was born in 2004. Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena is an Indian Air Force officer and former helicopter pilot. She joined the Indian Air Force in 1994, is a 1999 Kargil War veteran and the first woman Saurabh Chakra awardee. She is the first of 2 women along with Srividya Rajan from the Indian Air Force to enter a war zone flying cheetah helicopters and is the only woman to be part of the Kargil War. One of her main roles during the Kargil War was to evacuate the wounded from Kargil, transport supplies and assist in surveillance. She would go on to be part of operations to evacuate over 900 troops, both injured and dead, from Kargil. In 2004, after serving as a pilot for 7 years, her career as a helicopter pilot ended. The concept of the permanent commission of women was not there during her time. The 2020 Bollywood movie Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, is inspired by her life. In an interview, Gunjan Saxena stated that she had to face Pakistani gunfire and missiles while evacuating the injured soldiers from the war zone. Women in the 19th century were not allowed to fly in the war zone due to the extreme physical and mental condition. But at the time of Kargil War, India desperately needed all the pilots to attain victory in Pakistan. Thus, all male and female pilots were called in to serve the nation. Some of the Gunjan Saxena unknown facts are: while evacuating the dead and injured officers from the war zone, Gunjan's aircraft was fired upon by the Pakistani troop and she has a narrow escape in the steep valleys of Kargil. Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena is also known as the Kargil Girl. During the Kargil War, nearly 500 Indian Army officers, soldiers and jawans were killed. In 2004, after serving for 7 years as a chopper pilot, Gunjan Saxena's service with the Indian military ended. Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena was the first woman to receive the Shaurya Chakra award. She was awarded for her courage and determination in the Kargil War zone. From a very young age, Gunjan Saxena wanted to join Indian Air Force and was always cheered on by her father to work towards this dream. She realized her dream after completing her graduation from Hansraj College and joining the Delhi Flying Club at Safdarjung in the 90s, when the Indian Air Force wasn't accustomed to receiving applications from women pilots, but despite all odds, she strived and became Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena. She was soon called upon to help the Indian Air Force for a rescue operation during the Kargil War of 1999 between India and Pakistan. I hope the information shared by me in this video about the Kargil girl Gunjan Saxena was relevant to you. Please do watch this movie. Please like and share the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.